Hello and welcome to the Just Ship It tutorials. Today I will tell you about Pickwaves and show you how to group your orders for printing in groups. This feature is valuable for a seller who is shipping out orders in waves. For example, there are companies that are sending out a group of orders in the morning, the afternoon, and in the evening. Let's have an example and process some orders. Let's say that one company is sending out its first wave at 9 a.m. So what they will do is select all of the orders that came in until 9 a.m. Now, clicking on an action drop-down will show you Create Pickwave. When you click on Pickwave, Just Ship It will open up the Pickwave page with the newly created Pickwave. Now, in regards to this Pickwave, you will see the following: the Pickwave number, which consists of the day when it was created and the number of Pickwave groups created. Then we have the number of orders included in the Pickwave, followed by the number of items. Be aware that the number of orders and items don't necessarily need to be the same, as one order can have multiple items. A daily counter will assign a number to each order added to this Pickwave, so when printing labels and invoices, you will be able to match them. And the last is the description. Here by default, we'll add the information on when the Pickwave was created. But if you double-click on it, you can edit it by adding more text or assign it to an employee to pack these orders. Now, if you select this order, you can do operations as with one order. But if you are done printing, then you can simply dispatch the Pickwave by pressing the Dispatch button. If you made a mistake and you want to delete the Pickwave, you can do it by opening the Action dropdown and pressing Delete the last Pickwave. Bear in mind that you can only delete the last Pickwave, as all the orders are counted, and if you delete the previous Pickwave, you will lose that correct count of orders. Now, going back to the Orders page, you will notice that the orders assigned to a Pickwave have an indicator on them, and if you hover over one, it will show you the Pickwave number and the order counter number. Now, moving on, let's say it's afternoon and it's time for another Pickwave. So, we either select the remaining orders from the table or open the Awaiting Postage dropdown. We press on Awaiting Pickwave, which will filter all the orders that have not been assigned to a Pickwave. Let's select all and create the second Pickwave. We will see the second Pickwave created and the information assigned to it, and again, you can do all the operations as one. When all this is done, you can move on to the next Pickwave creation, as I have described a bit earlier. Using Pickwaves will help organize your time and your employees. If they have access to JSI with different levels of restriction, they can see the assigned Pickwave and start working without your time being wasted. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you have further questions, please contact us during working hours, and we will be glad to answer your questions.